Right now, most people are distracted, scrolling, watching, talking about their plans, but very few people are actually building something. There is a powerful strategy that most successful people understand, but almost nobody talks about it. Disappear. Not forever, just long enough to rebuild yourself. Because the truth is simple. You cannot become a different person while living the exact same life, the same habits, the same distractions, the same comfort. Growth requires separation, distance from noise, distance from comparison, distance from the opinions that slowly weaken your focus. Look at the strongest people you know, the disciplined ones, the builders, the ones who quietly change their lives. At some point, they disappeared. They stopped explaining themselves. They stopped trying to impress people. They stopped announcing their goals. Instead, they started working, in silence. While everyone else was talking, they were learning. While others were complaining, they were improving. While others were distracted, they were becoming stronger. And the most interesting part is this. During that period, it often looks like nothing is happening. No big announcements, no visible success, no recognition, just effort. Quiet effort. But under the surface, everything is changing. Your habits, your discipline, your mindset, your identity. Because transformation rarely happens in public. It happens in private, in early mornings, in late nights, in the hours nobody sees. 6 months of focused work can change almost everything about your life, your skills, your confidence, your discipline, your opportunities. 6 months of consistency can move you years ahead of where you are now. But most people never experience that transformation. Do you know why? Because disappearing is uncomfortable. It means saying no. It means sacrificing entertainment. It means being alone with your thoughts. And most people are afraid of that silence. They prefer noise, distraction, temporary comfort. But builders understand something different. Silence is not empty. Silence is where growth happens. When you remove distractions, you start seeing clearly. You start thinking deeper. You start acting with intention. You begin to build a version of yourself that does not depend on motivation, only discipline, only consistency, only action. And one day, after months of quiet effort, people start noticing. They see the results, the confidence, the progress, the strength. Suddenly they ask the same question. How did you do it? But they never saw the mornings. They never saw the sacrifices. They never saw the discipline, because it was all built in silence. If you want a different life, you must be willing to disappear for a while. Focus, work, improve, build, without needing applause, without needing approval. Because the loudest success stories often start in silence. Comment, disappearing if you are ready to focus on yourself. Like this video if you believe discipline changes everything. And subscribe to Built in Silence, because the strongest transformations are never announced. They are built in silence.